like this, sort of. And you're just gonna rub it on, you're gonna just tap it on there. And you're just gonna put it on the side of your cheek. Then
what you doing?
You're gonna get a eyeshadow brush and the eyeshadow. And you're gonna tap on the dark purple eyeshadow. Just put it on your eye. Put it here. Then you're going to tap it on the blue one, overlap the purple. You're going to do the same with the other one.
Okay.
Then you're going to, Josh, give me the lip gloss. Then you're going to get lip gloss, and this is what it looks like, kind of. And you can see it's very sparkly. When you're done your lip gloss, you're going to get a mascara. And this is an S-line curved mascara. I'm just going to open it up. And you're going to face it up so you can get it on. Then you're going to get something like this, and it really smells like strawberry, and that's why I like it. You're going to have to shake it so it can get the smell. You're going to just put it on all over your shirt, and then you're going to get body mist, and it's very sparkly, as you can see. Very good in your hand. You're gonna do this and put it on your face and your neck. Then, here one more time, you're gonna get the blue one and the purple one, so it won't get, like, it gets all messy, and so that's why I'm putting it on again. You're just gonna rub it on, put it on the eye. You're gonna put the purple one on the eye that you started first. And I did a different style from the last time. And bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.